Good morning, everybody.
No, don't take it.
It is dog feeding time. They're almost done here feeding, as you can see, and that everybody's got white corn all over their face. That's generally what we feed our dogs. In that we buy white corn by the sack, and then of course cook it over a live fire right here. So see if I can kind of walk around here a little bit. And kind of get the back side here. And Beth generally does the feeding for the dogs, but and they're cooked here over a live fire, and our wood storage here is up above, and it looks like we need to cut up some more firewood. And this is in back of our kitchen here. Kind of move around real slow here, but yeah, it's morning mad dash for food, and then trying to make sure that they all get something here. And as you can see, even the chickens are over here trying to grab. But we try to separate them out a little bit, so even the small ones get some food, and we got to help fight off the big dogs and that, because they try like the darndest. And there, of course, Mickey just came up to me here. There, you want to see a face full of white corn right there. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, and they're so anxious here all the time. So, and this is part of our everyday experience with our dogs. I think, I don't know how many we got now, but yeah, Beth's going to cook some more here, so yeah, we have additional dogs here now. And it didn't start out that way. It started out with a couple, and pretty soon we had more than than we realized, and gave away kind of what we could, and that, and over the last few years, of course, have accumulated quite a few, and some of them we've gotten really close to, and just can't get away from, and that, and it's kind of a fortunate thing for us, because they really protect the property here. And I know even our neighbors comment that they're a little afraid to come over here unless we know they're coming, so we can kind of control the dogs. And they're barking at night if anybody comes on the property. They really let everybody know that there's a stranger here. So in that sense, it's good. We haven't had any problems with stealing chickens or stealing pigs, and that's kind of a common problem in any of the rural areas. So, well, it looks like feeding time's over. Beth is going to be cooking another round here, and that for them. So we'll say goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.
And that, thanks for viewing, like and subscribe, and we'll no doubt be back soon.